So you want to know how Minecraft ticks works and how to understand or how you can understand Minecraft game ticks. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So Minecraft game ticks are the foundational units of time in the game. And what happens is running at 20 ticks per second, so TPS, meaning one tick occurs every 0.05 seconds. These ticks manage all game logic, including mob movement, redstone mechanics, and environmental updates, making them separate from the frames per second. So the game operates at 20 TPS, as I mentioned, and in the in-game, the day lasts 24,000 ticks or real world 20 minutes. Also, the performance impact. So if a computer cannot handle the load, the TPS drops, causing the game to lag, but the game logic still relies on these ticks, not time. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.